History is rarely found on a smooth path. Sometimes it hides where only the brave dare to look. Welcome back to Skuzoma Digital Vault. Today, we scale the extreme northern borders of Osun State to unlock entry 004, the fortifications of OKE-ILA. This mountain ridge was not just scenery, it was a military fortress. During centuries of regional conflicts, these sheer cliffs and hidden caves protected an entire civilization from invasion. Nature was their shield. Deep within the primal forests lies Ayikunugba, the waterfall where the leopard rose, named after the mythical white cats that guarded these waters. It remains an untamed sanctuary of pure natural majesty. From the peak of OKE-ILA Ridge to the depth of its sacred falls, this landscape holds the memory of indigenous engineering, strategic warfare, and human resilience. The archive is secure, the memory is preserved, is your culture preserved. Step into the vault. Who knows the next entry?